Namaste. Subject Gate Electronics and Communication, Volume 1. Name of the book author R.K. Kanodia, Ashish Murolia. Noida and Company Publisher. Multiple choice question. Gate Electronics and Communication, Volume 1, 7th edition. R.K. Kanodia, Ashish Murolia. Noida and Company publication. So MCQ, GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test of Engineering, Branch Electronics and Communication Branch, Volume 1. So Noida and Company publications. So these books also available in that company. ಆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶಾಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ www.noida.co.in at a great discount and no shopping charges. Books are dispatched by registered parcel to every part of India. A smart way to purchase books. So these are the syllabus: digital circuit syllabus, signals and system syllabus, control system syllabus, communications syllabus, and electromagnetics syllabus, and general aptitude also, verbal ability, numerical ability syllabus. So contents for this book. ಈ ಬುಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. So first one basic concepts, second one graph theory, third one method of analysis, fourth circuit theorems, fifth basic RL and RC circuits, sixth the RLC circuits, seventh sinusoidal steady state analysis, eighth circuit analysis in the S domain, ninth magnetically coupled circuits, 10th two-port networks, 11th frequency response, 12th gate solved questions. Unit 2 electronics devices. First topic semiconductor in equilibrium, second one semiconductor in non-equilibrium, third one PN junction diode, fourth bipolar junction transistor BJT, fifth MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, sixth JFET, junction field effect transistor, seventh integrated circuit IC, eighth gate solved questions. Next unit 3 analog circuits. First topic diode circuits, second BJT biasing, third BJT amplifiers, fourth FET biasing, fifth FET amplifiers, sixth output stages and power amplifiers, seventh op-amp characteristics and basic circuits, eighth op-amp applications, ninth active filters, 10th gate solved questions. Preface. This book doesn't make promise but provides complete satisfaction to the readers. The market scenario is confusing and readers don't find the optimum quality books. This book provides complete set of problems appeared in competition exams as well as fresh set of problems. The book is categorized into units which are then subdivided into chapters, and the concepts of the problems are addressed in the relevant chapters. The aim of the book is to avoid the unnecessary elaboration and highlights only those concepts and techniques which are absolutely necessary. Again, time is a critical factor both from the point of view of preparation, duration, and time taken for solving each problem in the examination. So the problem solving methods in the book are those which take the least distance to the solution. But however, to make a comment that this book is absolute for GATE preparation will be an inappropriate one. The theory for the preparation of the examination should be followed from the standard books. But for a wide collection of problems, for a variety of problems and the efficient way of solving them, what one needs to go through is there in the book. Each unit, example networks, is subdivided into average 7 number of chapters on an average, each of which contains 40 problems which are selected so as to avoid unnecessary redundancy and highly needed completeness. I shall appreciate and greatly acknowledge the comments and suggestions from the users of this book. From R.K. Kanodia, rajkumar.kanodia@nodia.co.in. Syllabus: Engineering Mathematics. First topic: Linear Algebra, Matrix Algebra, Systems of Linear Equations, Eigenvalues and Eigenvectors. Next topic: Calculus, Mean Value Theorems, Theorems of Integral Calculus, Evaluation of Definite and Improper Integrals, Partial Derivatives, Maxima and Minima, Multiple Integrals, Fourier Series, Vector Identities, Directional Derivatives, Line, Surface and Volume Integrals, Stokes, Gauss and Green's Theorems. Next, differential equations. First order equation for both linear and non-linear. Higher order linear differential equations with the constant coefficients. Method of variation of parameters. Cauchy's and Euler's equations. Initial and boundary value problems. Partial differential equations and variable separable method. Next is complex variables, analytic functions, Cauchy's integral theorem and integral formula, Taylor's and Lorentz series, residue theorem, solution integrals. Next one, probability and statistics, sampling theorems, conditional probability, mean, median, mode and standard deviation, random variables, discrete and continuous distributions, Poisson, normal and binomial distribution, correlation and regression analysis. Next is numerical methods, solutions of nonlinear algebraic equations, single and multiple step methods for differential equations. Next is transform theory, Fourier transform, Laplace transform, Z transform. Next syllabus, E&C syllabus, electronics and communication engineering syllabus. First topic, networks, network graphs, matrices associated with graphs, incidence, fundamental cut set and fundamental circuit matrices, solution methods, nodal and mesh analysis, network theorems, superposition, Thevenin's and Norton's maximum power transfer, Y-delta transformation, steady-state sinusoidal analysis using phasors, linear constant coefficient differential equations, time domain analysis of simple RLC circuits, solution of network equations using Laplace transform, frequency domain analysis of RLC circuits, two-port network parameters, driving point and transfer functions, state equations for networks. Next syllabus, the topic bantu electronic devices, energy bands in silicon, intrinsic and extrinsic silicon, carrier transport in silicon, diffusion current, drift current, mobility and resistivity, generation and recombination of carriers, PN junction diode, Zener diode, tunnel diode, BJT, JFET, MOS capacitor, MOSFET, LED, PIN and avalanche photodiode. Basics of lasers, device technology, integrated circuits fabrication process, oxidation, diffusion, ion implementation, photolithography, N-tub, P-tub, and twin tub CMOS process. Next, analog circuits. Small signal equivalent circuits of diodes, BJTs, MOSFETs and analog CMOS. Simple diode circuits, clipping, clamping, rectifier, biasing and bias stability of transistor and FET amplifiers. Next, amplifiers, single and multi-stage, differential and operational feedback and power, frequency response of amplifiers, simple op-amp circuits, filters, sinusoidal oscillators, criterion for oscillation, single transistor and op-amp configurations, function generators and wave shaping circuits, 555 timers, power suppliers. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಆರ್ ಕೆ ಕನೋಡಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.